How to contact Edward Jones. Follow these instructions. Visit edwardjones.com and use the Find a Financial Advisor tool to locate and contact your nearest advisor. Call 1-855-400-43-9883 to speak with an Edward Jones advisor quickly or book a free consultation. Use the branch locator on their website to find contact details and office hours for your local advisor. Call 1-800-400-41-2357 for urgent account support if your local Edward Jones office is unavailable. For login or online access issues, call support at 1-800-441-5203, 7 a.m. 8 p.m. CT weekdays, limited weekend hours. Log into your Edward Jones account to securely message your advisor or request a callback. Thank you for watching.